everybody, my name is Tanvi and welcome to my channel, the HowStation. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all this eye makeup look. It's called Unicorn Eyes and it is inspired by one of my favorite beauty bloggers, Debasree Banerjee. So Debasree had done this look a few weeks ago, and when I saw this look I got so mesmerized by it and I was like, I need to try it for myself. So in today's video I'm going to recreate these unicorn eyes which Debasree had done, and I'm going to show you all on how I do this. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. I am going to begin with my eye makeup as usual. First I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand and then apply it on my eyelid to prime it, and also under my eye to highlight and conceal that area. Then I'm going to blend everything properly, and once the concealer is well blended, I am going to set it in place with some compact powder. Now that my eyelids are ready, I am going to start working with the eyeshadows. On a flat shader brush, I am going to take a pink eyeshadow and I am going to start applying it into my crease. And then I am also going to do a little V on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to keep on doing this till the color is nicely intensified, and then I am also going to drag it onto my lower lash line. Then on a dense blending brush, I am going to take a peachy shade and I'm going to use that as a transition, and I'm going to diffuse it into the pink. Next I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and blend out all the harsh edges. Now time to add some color. On the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to apply a light blue shadow. I'm going to first apply it with a brush and then intensify it with my fingers. Once I'm happy with the intensity of the blue, in between the pink and the blue eyeshadow, I am going to apply a purple eyeshadow. Then I'm going to pick up a little darker shade of blue than what I had first applied, and I am going to blend the blue and the purple together. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the purple and the pink. I'm going to pick up a little darker shade of the purple and blend it into the pink so that all eyeshadows look seamlessly blended into each other without creating any harsh lines in between. After the eyeshadows have blended into each other, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and then just blend my crease area for the transition to look seamless. Next I'm going to apply the purple and the blue on my lower lash line. I've already applied the pink before. I'm just going to make sure that all the shadows are well blended into each other on the lower lash line as well. For my waterline, I am going to use a turquoise color liner. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. With a wet wipe, I am now going to clean all the fallout and also sharpen the edges on the outer corner of my eye. And then I am going to repeat these same steps on my other eye. So eyes are done, and now moving to my face, I am going to quickly apply foundation. I'm not going to apply it on the under eye area because I've already applied concealer over there and I don't want to cake that area up. I'm going to apply it on the rest of my face and then blend it with a brush. Once the foundation is well blended into my skin, I am going to set everything in place with some compact powder. After that, I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and darken my eyebrows. And then quickly move on to contouring and highlighting my face. So just contouring all the usual areas like my nose, my cheekbones, jawline. And then I'm going to highlight as usual. After highlighting is done, I'm going to apply blush. And then after blush on my lips, I'm going to apply a nice nude pink shade. And that's it, makeup is done. So guys, that's how I recreated these unicorn eyes. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Take very good care of yourselves and goodbye.